Hello everybody, today I want to show you a brand new 2022 Dutchman 3280 BHS. It is an Aspen Trail right there. Let's go start at the front. We'll take a look and see what Aspen Trail has to offer. First of all, you can see we have an electric tongue jack in the front. Your 2 propane tanks right there will be filled. Spot right here for your battery. And right here, spot for solar prep if you so desire to put solar on this camper. Nice, huge, look at that, how wide, that big pass-through storage right there. Goes all the way through to the other side so you can bring your fishing rods. Nice big electric awning. Just push a button and she goes with awning lights. It's got the solid steps that just flip right into the camper, and they're so solid to walk on and getting in and out. Then you have these marine grade outside speakers, your 6-gallon DSI water heater, black tank flush right there. The black tank flush is going to help you to clean out that black tank at the end of your camping day. And they also have electric stabilizer jacks. Well, I'm going to show you what that's for in a second. Let's see if we can focus. Right there is your LP propane port, and this is heated and enclosed underbelly too, which will extend your season. Right here you have a little extra fridge on the outside, stainless steel propane grill, which that's what attaches right down there to that port. Real easy to do, and you're cooking outside because you can't be making bacon indoors. All right, so back here you have your hot and cold water shower and your city water connection, spare tire with a cover. It is backup camera ready. Swing around to this side is your dump station. You have a cable in spot and your power hookup. And there's the rest of it right there. Kind of cool writing on that Aspen Trail. Pretty unique. All right, let's go check out the inside. All right, heading on in. The 3280 BHS is just under 7,000 pounds and right about 36 feet. So it has a lot to offer on the inside. Right as you walk in, you have your tank checks, your pump, your water heater, your lights, slide switch right there. And then look at this huge area. You can put a big TV right there. Comes with the fireplace, so you have electric heat. The little ambiance you can do even without the heat. You could have that flame flickering. Right there you have your AM FM radio going into the bedroom. Let's get a little light on the subject here. Boom. You got a window on each side. I'm going to see if I can open both. You have a queen bed right there. You have hanging closets, one on each side. 110 power port on each side. And we're going to swing around in here. Check out the living room. It has theater seating. So you got foot kick-ups. And if you don't want to use the foot kick-ups and you got some people spending the night, boom, turn it into a bed also. So right over here you have a big U-shaped dinette. So if I was sleeping over, I'm not fitting on that one, but I can fit on that one. And then again with the shades, I'm going to show you, put a little light on the subject. These are slow rise shades, so they're not going to slam up. And right here we have Ollie's no bull pricing, $39,997 for all this. Gonna open this other shade. Look at that. We got a little light on the subject. Look at all that counter space. Something to be said about a bigger camper. You get more storage, more counter space. Look at that huge sink, stainless steel sink. All that storage above. Nice big microwave right there. And your giant 12-volt fridge. That is got to be, it's at least a 10.7 cubic foot. You can pause right there if you want to read it. There we go. Let's go check out the bunk room. This is basically the main event, and then we'll hit the bathroom. Not me personally, but we'll take a look at it. So when you walk in here, you have another one. This bed will flip futon down into, you know, from couch to bed. Up on top, you have an L-shaped bed. So 2 more people there, and then a huge bed right there. And while they're sitting here like I'm gonna do on this couch, you got a spot right there for a TV and a little more storage right up above there. So you have lights in here, USB port up top, 110 power right there. Just to the left of me, there's some more 110 power. As we look outside on this beautiful day, we should be camping, right? So let's check out the bathroom. Right next to the bathroom, you have your thermostat. Walking into the bathroom, it's actually nice and deep. One of the bigger ones I've seen with this kind of layout. You got your foot flush toilet, sink inside the bathroom, medicine cabinet, and nice big tub surround with the skylight. You know, this is really tall. So tall guys, you'd have no problem with this camper. And again, another reason to go big. Lots of room out here. Look at that. It's a nice big living room. You can put a nice big TV out there for at night when you're not doing your camping activities. So there it is, the Aspen Trail. Oh, you know what? I'm going to show you one more little surprise since you stayed here this long with me. Alright, so fireplace, spot for a TV. See what this is? Ooh, look at that. Hiding spot. So anything you want to put, you could put behind the TV right there. Just don't try to get it when the Vikings are on, because somebody might get upset with you. So anyway, there you have it. Thank you